Bruce here. Let's make some sauce. So, you bought that pig in a poke. You know where that phrase came from? Pig in a poke. A bag, a poke. Oh, Bruce, that's cute. What an antiquated old phrase. Well, you still use that word about every day, whether you realize it or not. Okay, poke was a bag. They decided to put bags on clothes. Very good. So they put bags on clothes, but not a big bag, a little bag, a poke-ette. Every day you stick your hand in your pocket. That's a poke, a small poke. All right, enough for history. Let's make some sauce. So, you've smoked your pig. Now, and we're in North Carolina. So you want a traditional North Carolina vinegar based, it's almost a wash, not really a sauce. Okay, here's the fast and easy, quick recipe, which has been changed countless times over time. I can't count the iterations of Carolina vinegar based sauce, but let's do it. Quick and easy. I call it the 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1/2. All right. 2 cups apple cider vinegar. Now, in some of the iterations, they'll also add water. This is going to be really acidic, but it's not meant for you to spoon it into your mouth. It's meant to be mixed with the pork. All right, where the hell was I? 2, 2, 2. Oh yeah, 2 cups vinegar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Good. 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Probably because that was the kind of sugar they had back in Revolutionary War days. Some kind of cane. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Doesn't matter. I'm using a little spicy one. They had it on sale at the cheap store. Now, of course, some recipes will call for a lot more tomato base. But remember, Carolina's not a tomato base. It has tomato for flavor, but not as the base. Alright. Cool. Stop messing. Okay, 2 cups apple cider, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. That's our 2s. So let's get to the 1s. The 1s. 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper or pepper flake. Don't use the ground up stuff. There's something magical. Something magical. I don't have my teaspoon measure out here, so I'm doing 1/2. 2 1/2s. Very good. Crushed red pepper. And now, teaspoon of black pepper. If you want a little bit better flavor, grind your pepper, mill it. Peppers tend to go dead over time, ground peppers. Okay, so that was 1 teaspoon crushed red, 1 teaspoon black, and now 1/2 of salt. 1/2 of salt? Bruce, that's nothing. Yeah, well, watch your blood pressure. Boom. Take that to your stove. Set it on. Bring it up to boil. Let it go a minute. Shut off the boil down to a simmer for a couple more minutes. We want to steep these chili flakes in there. Alright, steep that. Let it cool. Get your jar, mason, whatever. Get your jar, shove it in the fridge, let it sit there a day. You'll be ready to go. And that is traditional sauce. Eastern Carolina. As you progress to the west, they'll be substituting some of that ketchup for Texas Pete. It must have been the long walk from the coast, 700 miles here, wherever. Anyway, Bruce from Murphy, North Carolina, showing you how to make some Carolina barbecue sauce. And as always, drink more shine and eat more bacon.